Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best bench grinders that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. 6-inch bench grinder with flexible work light. This is definitely one of the best bench grinders to work on. It has the standard 2.1 motor, and the rotation speed is 3,450 RPM. The distance between the wheels is optimal for working with various types of objects. The lightweight design increases portability. However, the stability of the product is not compromised. The best part about the product is its overhead light. You can achieve accuracy in all your operations and precisely sharpen and shape objects. Therefore, in terms of close visibility during operation, it is the best in the lot. Moreover, the base is designed for heavy-duty work, and the company offers 2 years warranty. Besides, there are also eye guards, and the light is flexible. The tool rest is also adjustable, and the motor works quietly. At number 4. DW758 8-inch bench grinder. DEWALT is a popular brand, and it is one of the best bench grinders from the brand. It has overload protection which expands the lifetime of the motor. Besides, there are guards available for protection which you can install and adjust tools free. The product is highly durable, and the induction motor provides superior power for industrial works. The motor runs at 3600 RPM, and the product has a cast iron base. Moreover, the motor housing is also strong and ergonomic in design. With the aluminum tool rests, you can accurately position the workpiece and achieve the grinding precisely. On top of that, there are also rear exhaust ports for smoother operation. The distance between the wheels is optimal for larger object grinding. It is currently one of the best-selling bench grinders on the list. At number 3. Slow-speed bench grinder. In this bench grinder, you will find high-quality white aluminum oxide wheels. It is very sturdy and has rubber feet which are anti-vibration. With the cast iron base, there will be added durability on the product. Both the spark resistors as well as the safety eye shield are adjustable. This is an ideal tool for sharpening operations as it reduces the heat buildup and will remain cool. This is powered with a 1/2 HP motor and runs at 1,750 revolutions per minute. The 8 inches slow-speed bench grinder has an arbor of 5/8 of an inch and you will also not experiencing any wobbling on the wheels. The length of the shaft is 2 inches and is very suitable for sharpening and grinding. Additionally, you will be getting 2 stone wheels and a dressing tool when you buy this product. At number 2. Bench grinder with light. This bench grinder comes in 2 different sizes of 6 inches and 8 inches. It has 2 grinding wheels of 60 grit for medium and 36 grit for a coarse. It is built-in bright and is also flexible. On the wheels, you will find a protective spark guard, and there is also an eye shield which can easily be adjusted. For added durability, the bench grinder comes with a cast iron base. This will cause no damage to your floor as it has got rubber feet. Your task will be much easier as it has also got mounting holes. It is very lightweight and comes with a ball bearing construction which will provide smooth operation. The product is straightforward to use, and there is also an on-off button. The wheels will last for a longer time when compared to an ordinary motor and are also safe to be used. Finally at number 1. 6-inch bench grinder. It comes with medium and coarse wheels for grinding various types of materials easily. The grinder sports a 2.1 motor that spins with 3,450 RPM. Besides, there are inbuilt LED work lights just over the wheels to make it easy to work in dark places as well as for precision. Moreover, there is an adjustable tool rests so that you can place the object perfectly for accurate grinding. Apart from that, it comes with rubber feet for greater stability. You can grind down joints, surfaces, and rivets smoothly. You will also get eye shields with it for safety, and you can mount it strongly on the benchtop. The solid cast iron construction makes it sturdy and durable. It is one of the best bench grinders on the list to opt for. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.